I would like to welcome you to this stunning family estate in highly desirable Ojochal. This property is lavishly landscaped with phenomenal flora native to Costa Rica, and throughout this property is irrigation. Let's take a look inside.
The interiors are as exquisite as the grandeur of the exterior facade. There is a spacious flex room on the main floor. This room would be ideal for billiards or perhaps a home theater. Every bedroom suite has lovely views of mountains and or the ocean. You may operate your home business from here with high-speed fiber optic internet service.
You may recognize the overall style and design of this home, including this fantastic grand staircase from the mansion in the Gone with the Wind film. A lovely feature of this master suite is that it has this really expansive balcony. It's private for the head of home. A really fantastic feature of this property is the incredible resort-style pool for entertaining with family and friends. The pool features this incredible swim-up bar and an entertainment center. You'll never even have to miss the big game. You would expect nothing less than a fantastic kitchen in a home like this. Granite countertops throughout, tons of fantastic cabinetry, top quality, high-end appliances. This is a delightful place to enjoy cooking. And of course, the fabulous kitchen leads out to a fabulous outdoor grilling station. Not only is it fantastic to have this incredible two-car garage, you also have a complete separate studio apartment above with 3 bedrooms suitable for additional guests or full-time staff.
The entire acreage is lushly landscaped. Beautiful mature gardens with an irrigation system throughout the property. The quaint village of Ojochal is known for its incredible selection of restaurants, popular with expats and locals alike, with truly something to satisfy everyone's taste buds. Other conveniences in Ojochal include a pharmacy, doctor's office, grocery store, deli, spa, gym, and numerous yoga facilities. Located just south of Ojochal is a lovely mountainside golf course, a full-service hospital, and a regional airport.
Thank you for joining me on this tour of this fantastic grand estate in lovely Ojochal. I look forward to meeting you in person and bringing you for a private tour of your own. My name is Rebecca Rowntree with Osa Tropical Properties. Please contact me for more information.